A lot of wonderful people are here. There's a lot of cross learning happening. All of us had such amazing conversations about how the health system should look like, what our vision should be when we are designing systems. We've been thinking of doing the field action lab in Nandurbar, but I always wanted to see how does it really work on the ground, what are the Asha Sevikas saying, what are the Anganwadi Sevikas saying. It's a great moment for us to sort of go to the field, sit with the Asha workers for around 2 hours and talk to them about what are their issues, what are their problems. And I think what really makes me really happy is that it's such a bottom to top exercise. We are actually listening to our health workers. At the core of everything that is being done, the intention is that we're doing it for them. So it should make their lives easier. They should find more happiness in what they're doing. And therefore the people that they're serving would also be benefited. When we've set that intention for the conference, that sets our way for the health equity and the health indicators that we have to, because we do it through the community health workers. As an administrator, I think one of the things I've always said is that we've to learn how to target better. The scale at which we cannot do an intervention at such a mass scale. We have to learn what needs to go where, and then those systems have to be very beautifully and very detailed crafting लगता है उसमें कि आपको ट्राइएज करना है तो आपको हाई रिस्क मदर को कहाँ भेजना है, उसका रेफरल सिस्टम कैसा होना चाहिए, so that everybody gets the amount and volume and level of care that they really want. So in that domain, I actually remember them showing what they were doing, and at one point I was like, this is what I have been saying since long, that if we could do a triaging of hemoglobin, of BP, of weight, and then realize that when one particular health worker is working with X number of cases and she has Y number of high risk cases, those high risk cases should get 80% of attention, because everything else is going normal, and the attention span of a health worker and the amount of things that they are doing is something we have to go really to understand what is happening at that micro level, so that ecosystem is set properly. One of the things that should form the mainstream of the next work that we are doing in technology is that we integrate these fragmented things into a complete whole. So I think a main cause of all of us coming together is to talk about how that interoperability happens, how can people talk to each other, how can departments talk to each other. The digital health survey that we are going to do now in collaboration basically digitizes the family health register that Asha keeps. And I think now, for example, we are taking up a sickle cell project where we'll be doing the sickle cell testing for hopefully a lot of people in Nandurbar. Now, do we do a separate sickle cell MIS? No, because when we are doing a digital health survey with them, we could just add one point of what is the sickle cell status and then integrate it there. So I think there's a lot of data understanding that I'm getting from the team, and I'm very excited to see how it goes.